Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on the Port Royal pipeline exercise that was just completed late last year. Now this was done by the National Water Commission, and it basically is bringing potable water to Port Royal, or it's basically upgrading the old pipes that were there with new pipes to bring an adequate supply of water to Port Royal. Now, the government has been trying to get tourism going in Kingston. And one of the areas that they are looking at or investing in is Port Royal. Now, Port Royal is a very historic town in Jamaica, and it's located on basically a peninsula. You pass the airport and you go all the way to the end, and that's where you find Port Royal. It has a very historic past, and it's one of the places that tourists would come to in Jamaica. And I think you have a lot more to attract tourists in Port Royal than you have in downtown Kingston. And the government recently opened a cruise ship pier in Port Royal, and they're doing major upgrades to the area. But the main thing that they needed to do was to bring an adequate supply of water to the area. And that's what they have done with this pipeline. So they have definitely put Port Royal on the map for development now. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on what is happening with the water upgrade in Port Royal. The Port Royal Potable Water Transmission Main Upgrade Project in Jamaica, completed in August 2024, was officially commissioned into service on January 7, 2025. The Jamaican $553 million initiative, led by the National Water Commission, involved replacing 8.6 kilometers of outdated cast iron pipes with 12-inch high-density polyethylene pipelines. The upgrade aims to provide a more reliable and continuous potable water supply to approximately 2,000 residents of Port Royal, as well as up to 3,000 cruise ship passengers and local businesses. The new HDPE pipelines are expected to reduce frequent repairs and minimize disturbances to local ecosystems, including mangroves and beach areas. Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness, speaking at the commissioning ceremony, highlighted the government's commitment to further infrastructure improvements in Port Royal, including investments in sewage systems and road development to enhance the town as a destination for both tourists and residents. Alright guys, so that's the end of the update article. So we will keep you guys updated on this development and all the other developments happening in Port Royal. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.